All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is Asphalt 9 on the new Alcatel 3V. So loading times on this are really slow, but gameplay is actually pretty good. I really don't have any complaints about that. But come on, I know how to play. Okay. Gameplay is actually really solid in my opinion. But it holds its own. But loading times, like I said, are not the best. But overall, man, I don't really have a complaint about the gameplay. It is definitely doable. As you can see here, me playing, not too much I'm worried about. I think once it gets going, it actually does well. Get 2 more nitrous. It does really good. Little bit of laggy at times, but still, that's pretty good. When I was doing the demo version, like when you first started up, it was a really slow loading times. But even right there, it kind of loaded. It loaded a little fast, but okay, got it. Let's do. So we can, oh, nope. Let's go back. But this is a really graphic intense game right here, man. And the loading times, like I said, not the best. You're gonna be waiting for a second, but what can you do? All right, golly, man, this thing is. Let's go stage 1 up. Acceleration, handling. And nitrous. All right, let's go back. Let's play. So I want to give you another round of this just to show you, the loading times. Down here, this game loads really fast. And it's really slow. That's the only downside I see in the phone with this game in particular so far. I haven't played any other games, and I'm going to try a baseball game that I like. As you can see, that loading time took about 30 seconds or so, 15 to 30 seconds. So, yeah, the game itself, it doesn't feel as smooth, obviously, because this is a MediaTek processor. But the fact that it can do it, man. It's really good. I really like it. I think it's going to be a game a phone that if you do decide to do it, you'll be fine with it. You'll be able to play this game like I'm doing here with no problems. Alley-oop, go. Burst up past him. But it's doing good to me. What do you guys think? There we go. Get it. Finished. So that's Asphalt 9. It does play. For those that might want to ask if it can play a heavy, intense game, I'm not going to play PUBG. I don't really play PUBG. But here's a game that I do like. This game right here is actually a pretty fun game. It's actually a really graphic, intense game in my experience too. So this is the baseball joint. So I love baseball. This is another game that I feel like is kind of graphic intense. It's not too harsh on the processor, but this one should give this processor a little bit of heat. It should kind of not struggle, but it's probably going to struggle a little bit. So you can see the loading times down there, and I'll do this one kind of in real time for you so you can kind of see what you're working with here. Yeah, it's definitely gonna take some time to load. And yeah, you can see the loading time there. But it's loading. Let's just go here. But it looks like once it's gotten going, it's trying to load. And like I said, I'm just doing this for you in real time, man. All right, so here we go. I don't need to learn to play. I already know how to play, man. All right. Let's see here. This is a lot of fun. This is a fun game, folks. Yeah, see, this game is actually running pretty smooth. I don't really see any lag or anything behind this one so far. I love this game. Whoa, he tried to hit me. Uh-oh, strike. Try to hit me again. You know what I've noticed about this game? Every time you do a startup, they make you get a strikeout like that. It's like they make you lose. They do these wild pitches. Because I play this game all the time, and it's never like that. But anytime I do like a startup or a first boot up on a game, it gives you a strikeout. They do these wild pitches like this just to get you out. But anyway, this game is graphic intense. It is really, dang, thing popped up. It is really nice, man. And I think it's a game that I think you really should try it out. But gameplay on this, oops, man, I was talking. Gameplay on that is actually pretty good. Let's do Hawk. Hawk is another one that I really like. It's like this shooter type game, like the airplane, just a simple, basic game. So the loading time on this should be decent. All right, it's decent loading time. The graphics on this look pretty decent. A little bit of drop right there at the beginning, but I think this will be one that you can actually play and enjoy. Yeah, this game is really fun if you haven't played it before. It's a nice, simple game. For those that aren't like heavy gamers, this one right here will keep you entertained for hours to come. Like, seriously. It's that good. It's that fun. So it's looking pretty decent, man. Gameplay looks fine on here. Yeah, looking pretty good. So I wanted to do a little bit of gaming for you guys, man. Let you guys know. Saying this game definitely could be one that this phone could be one that you use for some games. Like I said, I don't really know how to play PUBG. You guys are going to ask me, play PUBG? Well, you know, I'm showing you, Asphalt 9 is a really graphic intense game. So if it can play that game, it can pretty much probably play PUBG with ease. It's kind of hard to do this from behind the camera, but I'm still doing it like a boss. I get killed. This guy always backs off right when you get ready to take him all the way down. He'll just back off. Done. Stick a fork in it. Anyway, there's a little bit of gaming on the Alcatel 3V. This phone can definitely do it, man. I mean, I don't see any problems with it gaming on all the games that you could want to do. Simple game like that, and then the baseball game, and then Asphalt 9 is a really graphic intense game. It's all good, man. I don't know what else to tell you. If you're interested in this phone, you definitely want to try it out. It's totally worth it. And I had to give you this video because I was wondering how this phone would do with gaming, and it's impressive. So there you go. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.